Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will learn how to add real-time cryptocurrency rates widget on Blogger website. So let's start the video. We'll first go on Binance website and search for widget. So here is a widget for cryptocurrency real-time rates. We will do settings such as selecting tokens and theme selection. Also, fiat currency in which we can show offline currency rates, transparent background, etc. All these settings. Then we will copy the widget code and move to the back end of our website. So here we will paste the code and save. Now let's check the website for confirmation. So here you can see real-time currency rates are scrolled on the website. Subscribe for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you.